Tajiks were one of the first nations of Central Asia. From the history, we got that Tajik ancestors from the early of a middle Paleolithic period, they were started to disseminate over Central Asia. And from the history also, we know that the owner of the first civilization of Central Asia. And in the National Museum of Tajikistan, we have lots of information, lots of artifacts in the displays of the National Museum of Tajikistan from the period of Stone Age up to the period of the Samanids. And from 70,000 of the artifacts of the displays of the National Museum of Tajikistan, one of the main of them is the golden treasures, which we found from the territory of Tajikistan and belong to the period of Kushanids. It's a 2nd century BC and 4th AD. The golden treasure, which displays in the hall of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, shows us different artifacts with different ornamental decoration. For example, at the center of the treasure, we see the golden crown from 1st century BC and 1st AD. So it's like oldest crown of Central Asia from the period of Kushanids, and with the different kind of ornaments. Also, it got right size from the head of the human. Also, in this gold treasure, we see another decorational embroideries for dresses of that time. For example, one of them with the image of Simurgh. Simurgh is a myth creature, also from the Avestian religion, Avestian culture. We got that early on the first civilization, the people, the Tajik ancestors, they got believe on that. It was like a symbol of protection of them, and from the Shahnama of Abul Qasim Firdausi. Also, we know about the Simurgh of that time, and it was used for decoration of the dresses of the kings, and also they used the decoration with the image of dragons. Also, same time when they found the golden treasure, in this treasure was different artifacts like caps, like bowls out of the gold, which shows us that the use of this treasure, of these tools, were directly to the king of that time.